Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 free apps that pays PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this first app and show you how you can get this PayPal money. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Lucktastic, and they do have it as an app, so you can get it on iOS or Android. So on here, all you're going to be doing is playing, and you're going to win, and then you're going to redeem your winnings. So you can win a $1 million jump ramp jackpot, or you can win Universal Vacation. So you can win a trip to Universal Orlando Resort, or you can win up to $100,000 in cash. How would you like to have that amount of money, guys? $100,000. And you can win $1,000 for live music. So they have like a rock on concert for your chance to win $1,000 to help cover your tickets, refreshments, and even a night away in case it's on you're on a road trip. So you can win that amount of money and be able to check out some live music, guys. And they also have Lucky Trivia Live. And here are the daily winners, guys. So win up to $10,000 instantly and enter great contests every day with over 1 million winners to date. And as you can see here are all the winners, guys. This is a legit website, guys. And you can play for real rewards, as you can see over here. So if you don't want to get the PayPal money, you can get Domino's gift card, Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, Bed Bath & Beyond, Dunkin' Donuts, JCPenney's. And here's a little video you can check out. And this has been seen on Discovery Channel, Yahoo. And if you want to go ahead and check out the app, just click right here where it says iPhone or Google Play. Now, guys, what I want to do is go to the next app. This next app, guys, you're going to really love. So let me go to the next app right now. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store, and the name of this app is My Points Mobile. So on here, you'll be able to earn points and get free gift cards. And as you can see here, you're going to shop and save big at your favorite stores. So you got Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, Target, JCPenney, Groupon, Kohl's. And all you're going to be doing, guys, is you're going to earn points when you answer fun surveys and polls. And you're going to have a daily goal. So earn bonus points by completing your daily goal. So once you complete that daily goal, guys, you're going to get some points that you can redeem those points in for PayPal cash or gift cards. Now, let's just read a little bit more about this app. So get My Points Mobile and earn free gift cards faster. Join the millions of members who have already earned over 300 million in free gift cards. My Points Mobile enables you earn points for shopping online and taking fun surveys. And so you can earn towards gift cards by shopping top retailer sites, answering surveys, discovering in-store deals, and shopping local deals. So you can redeem your points anytime for $5 or $25 gift card. So you can get it on Amazon gift card, PayPal Money, Target, Walmart, Starbucks, and many more. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.3. So you know this is an excellent app. Anything over 4 stars is a very good app. So let's just read one of the reviews. And right here it says, this person named Virginia says, I love this app. It's so easy to make money and shop at the same time. So this person is making money and shopping at the same time, guys. So this is a good app, guys. If you're just starting off on the internet and you want to make some money real fast and have fun doing it, go ahead and go to My Points Mobile. And of course, this is available in the Google Play Store, and it's also available in the Apple Store. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these apps. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video is I want to do a shout out. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. And please keep watching all my videos, hitting the like button and sharing all my videos and help me get to 7,000 subscribers by the end of September, guys. Okay, that's it. That's it. Thank you. Please, please, guys, keep sharing my videos. Let's get this channel going. Let's keep going, guys. My goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So let's go. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos before my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.